Good afternoon, everybody. What I would like to do this afternoon is to not present, I think I try to summarize the topic that I have read, and I try to understand it because it's it's another topic that I think is difficult to understand. And so I just try to do my best today. And so, a topic that Ajahn Tiruvit and Nati have presented to all of us is about critical discourse analysis. As we know that the abbreviation for this word is CDA. And so let me mention about the maintenance of CDA. As you see, there are 8 tenets. Okay, and the word that I try to underline, this is the point that Faircraft and Wodak try to focus about the CDA. You can see that this critical discourse analysis try to focus on social problems, power relations, society and culture, ideological work, historical text and society, and also analyze about the interpretative and explanatory. And the last one is including social action. And I think I missed some point because Matthew mentioned about 3 levels. There are 3 levels of CDA: macro and macro, meso level, and micro level. And so for myself, I'm sorry that I missed some point. And so I try to forget only macro and micro level. As you can see, language used in the CDA, they use the verbal interaction and communication belong to the micro level of the social order. And power, dominance, and inequality between social groups are typically terms that belong to a macro level of analysis. Let me show you about the example of this. Like the Brexit speech in the parliament is a discourse at the micro level of social interaction in the specific situation, but at the same time, racist speech can be a part of legislation or the reproduction of racism. That is the macro level. And there are four analyses that try to explain about the difference between the macro and micro levels. Number 1, members group. Language user engage the discourse as member of social groups, organizations, or institutions. Conversely, groups that may act by their members. And 2, action process. Social acts of individual actors are thus constituent part of group action and social processes. For example, like legislation, news making, or the reproduction of racism. And next, number 3, context, social structure. The situation for this situation, the situation of discursive interaction are similar part or constitutive of social structure, such as a place, conference may be typical practice of organizations and medium institutions. And number 4, personal and social connection. As they mentioned about the personal and social, let's try to think about the language user as a social actors. They have both personal and social cognitive that's based on personal memories, knowledge, and opinions. And so those people can share with members of the group or culture as a whole. Thus, cognition is also the crucial interface between the personal and the social. So let me try to show you another dimension of CDA. CDA sometimes is like they focus also, they focus the social power. And so this topic that I'm going to present you is about power as control. Social power